Hey friends, hope you all are doing good. So, I'm back with a new video. Let's start learning. So, today's topic is calling out the name. किसी भी इंसान के लिए उसका नाम सबसे मधुर सुर होता है. So, I would request you all to watch the video until the end, and at the end slide, I will be sharing one of my personal tricks that I use to remember people's name. Benton Love, chairman of Texas Commerce Bankshares, believes that the bigger a corporation gets, the colder it becomes. One way to warm it up is to remember people's name. The executive who tells me he can't remember names is at the same time telling that he can't remember a significant part of his business and is operating on quicksand. People are so proud of their names that they strive to perpetuate them at any cost. Even blustering, hard boiled old Pete Barnum, the greatest showman of his time, was disappointed because he had no sons to carry on his name. He offered someone US dollars 25,000 if he would call himself Barnum, just to get his name ahead. For many centuries, nobles, magnates supported artists, musicians, and authors so that their works would be dedicated to them. Most people don't remember names for the simple reason that they don't take the time and energy necessary to concentrate and repeat and fix indelibly in their minds. They make excuses for themselves that they are too busy. The author got once a chance to interview Franklin D. Roosevelt. When he asked him that, how many names could he remember, he said he could remember 50,000 people by their first names. Okay, it seems a little exaggerated, but who knows, it might have been true. So, whenever Franklin met someone, a new acquaintance, he found out his complete name, some facts about their family, their business, or political opinions. He fixed all those facts in mind as a part of one picture. And the next time he met that person, even if it was a year later, he was actually able to shake hands and address them by their first name, inquire about their family, and ask about all the holy hawks in the backyard. No wonder he developed a following. An average person is more or less interested in his or her name than in all the other names on the earth put together. Remember that name and call it easily, and you've paid a subtle and very effective compliment. But forget it or misspell it, and you've placed yourself at a sharp disadvantage. Half the time when we are introduced to a stranger, we chat a few minutes and can't even remember his or her name by the end of the time we say goodbye. So, one of the first lessons, even a politician learn is to recall a voter's name is statementship. To forget is oblivion. So, simple technique is, just hearing out someone's name, and then if you've not heard it distinctly, say, so sorry, I didn't get your name clearly. Then, if it is an usual name, they would ask how to spell it. All this takes time, but good manners. And are obviously a petty sacrifices hearing everyone. So, yeah, magic is in the name. Ask the name, repeat it, and then address them the next time by their first name and see the magic. So, yeah, thank you so much, guys, for watching. I hope you learned a thing or two. What I personally use as a trick is when I come to know someone's name, something unique, something different, I try to find out the actual meaning of that name. Even simple names like, let's say Chirag. That is a very simple name and quite a common name. Try to picture what is a Chirag, maybe Aladdin ka Chirag, and then, fixate that picture with that image. And then you can really recollect someone's name just by, that picture just comes to my head. So I use this trick to remember people's name. In a way, I learn new things because different names hold different meanings, at times even two or three meanings at the same time, and it helps me to recollect and address them by their first names the next time I meet them. So try it out. Let me know how was your experience in the comments box below. Stay tuned, keep learning, be successful. Bye bye.